Okay, great. Thank you very much, Dr. Mohammed. Ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests, good morning. For those of you at Arba Minch University, and good afternoon and good evening as it applies to your local times, to those of you who are attending from an international location. To those of you who are attending this international conference physically at the Arba Minch University, I am jealous of you. I wish I was there in that beautiful city of Arba Minch, Secha and Sikala, and the great nationally and internationally impactful Arba Minch University. Since situations didn't allow, I welcome you to this keynote address from Seattle, Washington, United States of America. It is an honor to stand before you today and shed light on the information communication technology, ICT and computing systems for sustainable development theme, particularly within the context of Ethiopia's ambitious sustainable development goals. My name is Denekew A Jembere. I am currently a principal software engineer and a data scientist at Microsoft. In a world where technology continues to shape our societies, it is crucial to explore how we can harness its power to propel Ethiopia toward sustainable and inclusive growth. Today, I will delve into 5 key information communication, technology, and computing related topics, each offering detailed explanations of their role in Ethiopia's sustainable development journey. Developing computing and multidisciplinary ICT solutions can revolutionize Ethiopia's progress in salient disciplines such as education, governance, commerce, and business communications. In the realm of education, access to quality education is a fundamental building block for sustainable development. Using ICT solutions, we can bridge the urban-rural divide by providing equal access to educational resources. Online learning platforms, digital libraries, and ebooks can empower students in remote regions, breaking down barriers and enhancing their educational opportunities. Furthermore, integrating ICT solutions in governance enables transparency, accountability, and citizen participation. By leveraging technology, Ethiopia can streamline government services, reducing bureaucracy and enhancing service delivery. E-governance platforms would allow citizens to engage directly with government agencies, fostering a sense of ownership and participation in decision-making process. Moreover, ICT solutions in commerce and business communications can drive economic growth and empowerment. E-commerce platforms, digital payment systems, and business tools can create opportunities for small and medium-sized enterprises, fostering entrepreneurship and innovation, and driving sustainable economic growth. Adopting ICT for digitization, artificial intelligence, and machine learning holds immense potential for Ethiopia's sustainable development journey. Digitization is a transformative process that converts analog information and procedures into digital formats, enabling efficient storage, accessibility, and sharing of valuable data. This digital transformation can profoundly impact various sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, and energy. In healthcare, digitization coupled with artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance patient care, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall health outcomes. For example, electronic health records streamline data management, ensuring seamless access to patients' information and facilitating timely and accurate diagnosis. In addition, artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze large data sets to identify patterns, enabling personalized treatment plans and preventive measures. Similarly, artificial intelligence can optimize irrigation, fertilizer usage, and crop yields in agriculture, promoting sustainable farming practices and maximizing productivity. Ethiopia can achieve significant advances in these crucial sectors by harnessing the power of digitization, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, laying the foundation for sustainable development. As Ethiopia accelerates its digital transformation, it is imperative to prioritize security assessment and defense strategies to safeguard its institutions from cybersecurity risks. Moreover, the increasing prevalence of cybersecurity threats poses a significant risk to the nation's sustainable development goals. Therefore, mitigating cybersecurity risk requires implementing robust security measures across all sectors, In this regard, Ethiopia should protect sensitive data and systems by fortifying institutions' cybersecurity posture by deploying firewalls, encryption protocols, and access controls. Furthermore, investing in comprehensive training programs for employees is paramount. Educating individuals on best practices and raising awareness about potential risks can empower them to become the first line of defense against cybersecurity threats. To this end, collaboration between institutions, both nationally and internationally, is crucial. Sharing knowledge, experiences, and expertise in cybersecurity can enhance defense strategies and foster a proactive approach to mitigating threats. By cultivating a culture of security and resilience, Ethiopia can protect its crucial infrastructure, bolster trust in digital systems, and ensure sustainable progress toward its sustainable development goals. In Ethiopia's pursuit of sustainable development, focusing on cost-effective and secured ICT solutions is paramount. To ensure community empowerment, bridging the digital divide and promoting inclusive development requires making technology accessible and affordable to all citizens. To achieve this, Ethiopia must prioritize expanding affordable internet access, particularly in underserved areas. In addition, digital tools, resources, and training programs should be provided to enable individuals to leverage technology effectively. This approach will facilitate access to information, education, job opportunities, and essential services, promoting equitable development across all communities. Moreover, community engagement and participation are vital for successfully implementing ICT solutions. Collaborative efforts between the government, private sector, and civil societies can develop localized solutions tailored to different communities, unique challenges, and needs. By nurturing digital literacy and entrepreneurship, Ethiopia can empower individuals to harness the potential of ICT solutions for community-driven sustainable development, ultimately fostering a more inclusive and prosperous society. Natural language processing, for instance, can contribute to personalized learning experiences, revolutionizing education by adapting teaching methodologies to students' unique needs and preferences. Likewise, information retrieval can unlock valuable insights from vast datasets, fostering evidence-based decision-making across sectors such as agriculture, energy, and healthcare. Internet of Things, IoTs, can serve as the foundation for creating smart cities where interconnected devices optimize resource management, energy efficiency, and transportation systems. With its scalable cost effectiveness, cloud computing enables organizations to leverage advanced technologies without substantial upfront investments. In addition, computer vision and image processing techniques can facilitate improved monitoring and management of natural resources, allowing for early identification of environmental challenges and promoting sustainable practices. On the other hand, green computing emphasizes energy efficiency and environmentally sustainable practices in computing systems design and operation. By minimizing energy consumption and reducing carbon footprints, Ethiopia can contribute to mitigating climate change and preserving natural resources for future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, the role of ICT and computing systems in Ethiopia's sustainable development journey is undeniable. Furthermore, fostering and building ICT and computing systems for sustainable development in Ethiopia requires collective efforts and collaboration from various stakeholders. Therefore, as we move forward, I would like to offer recommendations and highlight the roles that researchers, academic institutions, the local and global technology solution providers, and funding partners, and the government of Ethiopia can play in driving this development. Research and academic institutions are crucial in fostering and building ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. To fulfill this role effectively, these institutions should focus on the following 4 key areas. First, fostering multidisciplinary collaborations. Research and academic institutions should actively encourage researchers from diverse fields, such as computer science, engineering, social sciences, and sustainability studies to collaborate on projects related to ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. And institutions can foster innovation and develop holistic solutions by bringing together experts with different perspectives and expertise. These multidisciplinary collaborations can lead to breakthroughs in education, governance, commerce, and business communications, ultimately driving sustainable development. Second, conducting context-specific research. Research and academic institutions must prioritize context-specific research that address Ethiopia's unique challenges and opportunities. Understanding the local needs, cultural contexts, and sustainable development goals is essential for designing impactful ICT solutions. By conducting research rooted in the local context, institutions can develop tailored technology solutions that are effective and relevant to Ethiopia and can contribute directly to the country's sustainable development effort. Third, promoting knowledge sharing and capacity building. Research and academic institutions should actively promote knowledge sharing and capacity building in the various fields of ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. Practical knowledge sharing can be achieved through workshops, seminars, conferences, and training programs that facilitate the exchange of knowledge, experiences, and best practices. Institutions can foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation by encouraging faculty members, researchers, and students to participate in these initiatives. Additionally, incorporating sustainable development topics into academic curriculum will equip the students with necessary skills and competencies to effectively contribute to developing and deploying sustainable ICT solutions. And the fourth and the last one for research and academic institutions is collaborating with local and global partners. Research and academic institutions should actively seek collaborations with local and global partners to leverage their expertise, resources, and networks. By participating with industry, government agencies, and international organizations, institutions can access funding opportunities, gain insights into real-world challenges, and facilitate the implementations of sustainable ICT solutions. These partnerships can accelerate the development and deployment of ICT solutions in education, governance, commerce, and business communications. By collaborating with local and global partners, research and academic institutions can drive sustainable development initiatives and contribute to Ethiopia's journey toward a digitally inclusive future. From the perspective of local and global technology and funding partners, the following three strategies can be implemented to foster and build ICT and computing systems for sustainable development in Ethiopia. First, providing technical and financial support. Local and global ICT solution providers can play a crucial role in providing technical expertise, funding, and grants to support research development and implementation of ICT and computing systems for sustainable development projects in Ethiopia. Global partners can leverage their expertise and resources to accelerate progress and facilitate knowledge exchange by participating with these providers. This support can empower local researchers and academic institutions to develop innovative solutions and overcome technological challenges. Additionally, local ICT solution providers can offer valuable insights in the local context and tailor their expertise to address Ethiopia's specific needs and goals. Second, facilitating technology transfer. Local and global ICT solution providers should actively share best practices, knowledge, and technological advancements in the field of ICT to accelerate the building of sustainable ICT solutions in Ethiopia. Collaborative efforts with these providers can help Ethiopia's access to cutting-edge technologies, expertise, and lessons learned from similar initiatives in other parts of the world. Through technology transfer, local stakeholders can benefit from global expertise and adapt successful models to the Ethiopian context, promoting the development of sustainable ICT systems. Local ICT solution providers can also contribute by offering localized solutions, understanding local challenges, and providing on-the-ground support. Third, promoting international collaboration. Local and global ICT solution providers, along with the global funding partners, should actively encourage collaboration and partnership between Ethiopian researchers, academic institutions, and their international counterparts. Joint research projects, educational exchange, and cooperation on sustainable ICT initiatives can enhance knowledge sharing and foster innovation. By fostering international collaboration with technology solution providers, global partners can facilitate the exchange of ideas, expertise, and experiences, contributing to developing sustainable ICT systems that align with Ethiopia's specific needs and goals. In addition, local ICT solution providers can benefit from international collaboration by gaining exposure to global best practices and expanding their networks. The government of Ethiopia could play a vital role in fostering and building ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. To achieve these, the government should implement the following 6 strategies. First, establishing supportive policies and regulations. Creating an enabling environment requires the development of policies and regulations that promote the adoption and use of ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. These policies should encompass measures to ensure data privacy and security, incentivize innovation, and support local startups and entrepreneurs in the technology sector. In addition, the government can encourage the growth and integration of sustainable ICT solutions across various sectors by providing clear guidelines and frameworks. Second, investing in digital infrastructure. A robust digital infrastructure is crucial for widespread adoption of ICT and computing systems nationwide. Therefore, the government should allocate resources to develop key components such as broadband connectivity, data centers, and technology hubs at higher educational institutions. This investment will enhance digital connectivity, bridge the digital divide between rural and urban areas, and provide the necessary infrastructure to deploy sustainable ICT solutions. Third, fostering public-private partnerships. Collaboration with private sector entities is essential for leveraging their expertise, resources, and innovation. Public-private partnerships can accelerate the development and deployment of sustainable ICT solutions, particularly in critical sectors such as education, healthcare, agriculture, and government. By collaborating with the private sector, the government can tap into industry knowledge, access funding opportunities, and promote the implementation of impactful ICT projects for sustainable development. Fourth, investing in power grids and infrastructure. Recognizing the crucial role of reliable power supply in supporting ICT infrastructure, the government should invest in upgrading and expanding power grids, especially in rural and underserved areas. Access to reliable electricity is vital for seamlessly operating ICT systems, enabling equitable access to digital services and resources. Moreover, by prioritizing investment in power infrastructure, the government can enable the widest adoption of sustainable ICT solutions nationwide. Fifth, reducing taxation on ICT infrastructure procurement. The government should consider reducing or providing tax incentives for ICT infrastructure procurement to encourage research and development activities in both public and private academic institutions. Lowering taxes will alleviate the financial burden on research and educational institutions, making it easier for them to invest in cutting-edge technologies. Easing the financial burden of these institutions, in turn, will enhance their capacity to conduct research and development in ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. The sixth and the final advice or recommendation to the government is establishing funding mechanisms for sustainable ICT research. The government should establish dedicated funding mechanisms, grant and scholarships to support sustainable ICT research and projects. By providing financial resources, the government can encourage researchers and academic institutions to explore innovative approaches that address Ethiopia's sustainable development goals through ICT and computing systems. In addition, establishing funding will facilitate the research, development, and implementation of impactful projects across various sectors. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the esteemed researchers, academic staff, and our valued partners for your invaluable presence and unwavering attention throughout this keynote speech on ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. In closing, I am filled with optimism and inspiration as I witness the dedication, expertise, and passion of researchers, academic staff, and partners in pursuing ICT and computing systems for sustainable development. Together, let's forge ahead, embracing the opportunities before us and working hand in hand to build a sustainable future for Ethiopia. And thank you.